Welcome to Advantech WISE at COMPUTEX 2026, where industrial AI agents transform real-world operations. Experience Advantech WISE, the industrial edge AI agents, enabler for intelligent operations across industries.
Built on the AI agent foundation integrated with NeMo Cloud, WISE enables domain-specific AI agents across manufacturing, energy, and facility management. Here, we showcase two demos: iFactory AI agent for SMT production optimization, and IEMS AI agent for factory energy management. With WISE, businesses can deploy faster and turn data into real-world actions. Supporting these AI solutions is WEDA, Advantech's WISE Edge Developer Architecture. WEDA simplifies edge AI development across silicon, across OS, from APIs, containers, and digital twins at the edge to full AI lifecycle management in the cloud. It helps businesses deploy AI faster and cut development time by up to 80%. Here are three real-world demos powered by WEDA: smart agriculture for greenhouse optimization, urban safety with AI drone monitoring, and intelligent navigation with offline AI kiosks.
To power these AI applications and edge deployments, Advantech provides SKYRack, or a high-performance AI infrastructure designed for industrial environments.
Experience the SEMI-S2 certified SKYRack, featuring automatic small triggered power off and EMO recovery for maximum safety. It supports efficient liquid cooling via CDU and leverages the MGX architecture to power high-density GPU servers, up to 600 watts in flexible 2U, 4U setups. Together with our ISV partners, we deliver a stable, high-performance ecosystem for any AI application.
We have more exciting demo at COMPUTEX 2026. Subscribe to see more updates from us. See you next time. Bye-bye.